Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your LEGO gift cards or purchase from LEGO Online using LEGO gift cards. First of all, go to lego.com and then sign into your account if you have not already. Click Shop at the top right and add the things you like from the list. Once you are done adding all the stuffs that you want, click on View My Bag. Then click Checkout securely. Now to use your LEGO gift cards to make a purchase, click Pay with a LEGO gift card option. Enter the 19-digit gift card number at the back side of the LEGO gift card. Then enter the 4-digit PIN code which you can find after you peel of the scratch-off layer. Finally, click Apply Gift Card button to pay with the gift card. If you have multiple gift cards, then you need to repeat this process of each gift card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.